As divers, we see the beauty of the underwater world firsthand, and we can sometimes take that fresh water for granted. Imagine how you would feel if your water supply for your home was turned off even for a single day. You can't fill a glass of water to drink, you can't brush your teeth or take a clean shower whenever you want. Now imagine how that would affect you if you never had running water, and 1 in 10 people on Earth do not have access to clean water. But if we work together, that can change. We are part of the Team Water campaign, the largest creator crowdfunding campaign ever. Team Water is a creator-led global campaign launched by Mr. Beast and Mark Rober. Over the next month, we are raising $40 million to bring clean water to 2 million people by partnering with local communities across over 6 continents to build solutions and open up life-saving water access. And you can be part of the team also. Just go to teamwater.org right now to donate anything you can. A single dollar gives one person clean water for up to a year, and $20 can give them clean water for decades. Because the focus here is on infrastructure, not just building wells. So we're looking at solar powered pumps, piped systems, rainwater harvesting, filtration, and community training. More sustainable, scalable, and reliable than temporary fixes. And local communities are being trained to maintain those systems long term. Donations go directly to WaterAid, a trusted charity with 40 years of impact and top tier ratings. For more information and how to get involved, head over to teamwater.org to see how you can help.